Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me. We are going to talk about adjectives today. And you've used adjectives this year in your writing. You may not realize it, but you have. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. So before we go much further into adjectives, let's talk about what exactly a noun is. A quick review. So when we learned about nouns, what did we say a noun is? Look at the person next to you. If you're watching it by yourself, whisper to your imaginary friend what a noun is. That's right. It is a person, place, or thing. So I have a few nouns sitting on my desk. They're mostly things. I'm a person, Miss Melton, and you'd capitalize my name because I'm a proper noun, right? So, and we're in my dining room, and that is a place. It's also my office, so that's a place too. All right, so I have raspberries, I have a candle, a cup of coffee you know I love, and some tulips. These are all nouns, but we're going to use some adjectives in just a second to describe them. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, and they answer the question, what kind, which one, and how many. So as you think about the adjectives you want to use, they'll answer those questions. What kind, which one, and how many. All right, let's start by describing this cup of coffee. And I don't know if you can see the steam, but it is hot. So the word hot is an adjective to describe this coffee. What kind of coffee? Hot coffee. And then how many cups of coffee do I have? I have 1 cup of coffee. So 1 is an adjective used to describe how many cups of coffee I have. And I'm not sure if you can hear in the background, but Miss Bontrager is teaching 4th grade math. And I'm going to ask Naomi to turn that down. Naomi, turn it down, please.
Okay.
I'm back. This is life with 3 kids being homeschooled and trying to be a YouTube teacher. Okay, so back to the coffee. We said it was hot. We said there was 1 that answered what kind and how many. Which one? It is the white cup of coffee. And if you can look down in here, what kind of coffee? It's brown coffee. And I'm smelling it. Do you know what it smells like? I wish you could smell it. It's so good. It is coconut mocha coffee. So what kind of coffee? Coconut mocha coffee. So there are so many different adjectives that I can use just to describe coffee. So I challenge you when you are writing to use adjectives to describe your nouns because it really makes a difference. It makes it so much more interesting to read. That is delicious. It is also very hot. All right, let's look at these tulips. They are beautiful. Beautiful tulips. So beautiful is an adjective that describes what kind of tulips? Beautiful tulips. Which one? The yellow tulips. Guys, all of your color words are adjectives. And then how many tulips? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many tulips? 10 tulips. Which one? The tulips in the jar, so that will describe the clear jar. Or which tulips? The tulips with the green leaves, right? So we're using adjectives to describe our noun, and our noun is tulips. We could also just call these flowers if we wanted to. Which flowers? The yellow flowers. How many flowers? 10 flowers, okay? Now let's move on to this candle. It smells so good. And you guys have smelled this candle before because it used to sit on the desk in my classroom, but I brought it home so that I could have it at my desk here. My desk that is the dining room table. All right, so which candle? The candle that smells. It smells a little bit like coconut to me. How many candles? How many candles do I have right here? 1 candle, right? And which one? The pink and green candle, right? Because it's pink and it's green. Smells so good. Oh, it's also hot, guys. It is hot. You've got to be careful if you have a candle. All right, let's move on. I've got a snack here of raspberries. Now let's look at these. Which raspberries? The red raspberries. Which raspberries? The juicy raspberries. They are juicy, guys. You can look at the plate and you can tell that. How many? Well, there's a lot. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Miss Melton has 18 raspberries. And that word 18 is actually an adjective to describe how many raspberries. Miss Melton has 17 raspberries. Okay, they're so good. And so since I've tasted it now, which raspberries? The tart raspberries. They are not sweet. They are very tart right now. So when you're thinking about adjectives, think about words that describe nouns, and they answer the question, what kind, which one, and how many. When you do your work today, you're going to come up with adjectives to describe yourself. So think of words that describe you. You are smart. You are beautiful. You are funny. All of those words describe you. So those are words too that describe, right? And then as you describe objects, you're going to think about color words and number words and things like that. You guys are so smart, and I know you're going to do an awesome job with this. Remember to watch the Brain Pop video that goes with it. If you need a password for that, click on the additional resource link and the password is there. Have a wonderful Wednesday. I miss you and love you.